Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the margin and padding in the WordPress Gutenberg editor in just 5 minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this login link to start the authentication process. You will then see an option to sign in using your Google account. Select the option labeled Continue with Google, and a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you wish to use for logging in. This method simplifies the sign-in process while keeping your authentication secure. After logging in successfully, your WordPress dashboard will be displayed. Locate the Quick Link section and click on the Edit Site option to open the site editor. Here, you can make design modifications to your website. In the site editor, select the paragraph or content block you wish to modify. By clicking on it, you gain access to additional block-specific settings. Next, shift your attention to the right-hand panel and click on the Block tab. Within this tab, scroll to the Dimensions section, which allows you to adjust size attributes such as margin and padding. The margin controls the space outside the block, while padding manages the space inside it. Click on the three-dot icon in the Dimensions section to reveal additional controls. Carefully adjust the margin and padding using input fields or sliders, watching the live preview to see the changes applied in real time. Experiment with the values until the spacing aligns perfectly with your design vision. By following these steps, you can successfully modify the spacing of your content in the Gutenberg editor, creating a professional and visually balanced layout. This not only enhances readability, but also elevates the overall aesthetic of your website. Enjoy the freedom to fine-tune your design elements and create a unique, welcoming online presence using WordPress's built-in tools. Happy WordPress using!